My name is Uriel, and I am a junior at Stripe Smart. And this is the video. This is for my final milestone, which is for the solar panel. Yeah, that tracks the sun. And what I did here now is that I added on the timer, which allows. It's only about a 12-hour rotation, so because that's how long the sun is up right now. And right now, what you can see right now, the gears actually move the solar panel. Besides it moving, you can move it with your hands too, but yeah, the gear can also move the solar panel. Right now, the timer can't really do anything because it's set for 12 hours. So probably like in about an hour or two, it could probably change to here, and let me also show you with my. Let me show you my sketchup models I made for this. So first of all, what we have here is the wooden base. It's just a rough draft because I added on a lot to the wooden base. For example, that is just like a rough draft of what should go behind it. I couldn't actually draw the T part, so I just drew 2 lines and wrote some notes on it. And it's all the dimensions that are on here are actually on real life because this is like it's really precise. Here I have the U bracket. It's the same thing too. I didn't add any drill holes too, but I added notes to myself to know where I had to drill. And finally, the actual solar panel. I used to have another solar panel, but since it didn't have it wasn't good enough for some reason. I had to design a new one. So what I did here was that I put the solar panels in the front. These little circles, the cylinders, I mean, represent the screws, and the back I actually made it out of acrylic. And as like in the wooden base, the dimensions are actually are the ones that I planned it. I think later on as a profession I would actually like to consider aerospace engineer, because even though I didn't do any sorts of aerospace here because we can't fly anything, I think aerospace engineer has always intrigued me since I was like really young. But something I really want to do to the solar panel would probably be like a more advanced timer. Like I can buy myself one. I can do electric timers and stuff. But overall, it was a good challenge. Like I thought it's just wood. I've worked with this. I can do this in a week or two. But no, there was a lot of problems actually. Because sometimes something I didn't realize was that a lot of dimensions sometimes, like for example in the U bracket, some of the dimensions were really off. Some of the screws weren't right. Especially here in the solar panel. Like for example, a lot of these brackets I added on later on because without them it would start pivoting around and it would create a really sloppy movement. And this too, this used to be plywood, and what's wrong with plywood is that they could split really easily. And along here too because it would only move up to here and it would feel like it break.